The mighty mushroom, unveiling the remarkable health benefits.
In this captivating video, we delve into the vast array of health benefits that come from incorporating mushrooms into your regular diet. Join us as we explore the remarkable powers of this incredible superfood, uncovering its ability to enhance overall well-being and boost the immune system. From its rich nutritional content to its unique medicinal properties, the mushroom truly deserves its title as a mighty champion of good health. Discover how consuming mushrooms regularly can aid in weight management, improve cardiovascular health, and increase energy levels. We'll also explore its exceptional anti-inflammatory properties and its potential to prevent certain types of cancer. Moreover, we'll shed light on how mushrooms can fortify bone health, promote brain function, and even enhance skin radiance. With expert insights and scientific research, we unravel the various types of mushrooms that offer specific health advantages. Whether it's the powerful antioxidant properties of shiitake mushrooms, the immune-boosting effects of maitake mushrooms, or the gut-friendly benefits of reishi mushrooms, there's an abundance of reasons to make mushrooms an indispensable part of your diet. Our engaging visuals and practical tips will empower you to make informed decisions when selecting, preparing, and cooking mushrooms, ensuring you make the most of their nutritional value. Discover delicious recipes that incorporate mushrooms to add a delightful twist to your meals while reaping their incredible health benefits. Join us on this eye-opening journey as we unlock the secrets of the mighty mushroom and how it can transform your well-being. Don't miss out on this opportunity to embrace a healthier lifestyle, one delectable mushroom dish at a time. Did you know that mushrooms are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health? In today's video, we will unveil the remarkable health benefits of incorporating mushrooms into your diet. Mushrooms are low in calories, fat-free, cholesterol-free, and packed with essential nutrients. They are a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a fantastic choice for both vegetarians and meat-eaters alike. One of the biggest health benefits of mushrooms is their ability to boost your immune system. They contain powerful antioxidants that help strengthen the body's defense mechanism, keeping you better protected against harmful pathogens. Additionally, mushrooms are rich in vitamin D, which plays a significant role in maintaining healthy bones, teeth, and muscles. Just a few servings of mushrooms can help you meet your daily vitamin D requirements. Moreover, mushrooms are known to support brain health. They contain compounds that enhance cognitive function and memory. Regular consumption of mushrooms can help improve focus, concentration, and overall brain function. But that's not all. Mushrooms have also been linked to a reduced risk of certain diseases, like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancers. Their unique combination of nutrients and antioxidants contribute to overall well-being. So, whether you're enjoying a mushroom stir-fry, soup, or even adding them to your favorite pasta dish, know that you're not only satisfying your taste buds but also nourishing your body. In conclusion, mushrooms are a true powerhouse of nutrition. They contribute to a healthy immune system, strong bones, improved brain function, and even help lower the risk of certain diseases. Now that you're aware of these remarkable health benefits, why not incorporate mushrooms into your diet more regularly? Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Until next time, happy mushroom eating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.